In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment fields in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a payment field inside your document, connect it to the right signer, and send it out so payment is collected as part of the signing process. First, sign into your DocuSign account. Open your web browser, go to the official DocuSign website, and log in with your credentials. If you're new to DocuSign, make sure you have access to an account that supports payments. Some plans require an enabled payment gateway to use the payment field. Next, start a new envelope. From the dashboard, select New, then choose Send an envelope. Upload the document that requires payment. This could be an invoice, contract, or authorization form. Give your file a moment to process so you can add recipients and fields smoothly. Add your recipients by entering the signer's name and email address and assign the role of signer. If there are multiple recipients, confirm who needs to sign and in what order, but make sure the person responsible for paying is marked as the signer you intend to assign the payment field to. Click Next to open the tagging screen, where you'll place all the fields on your document. This is where you visually drag fields onto the page, including signatures, dates, and the payment field we're about to add. Take a moment to zoom in so you can position fields precisely. By the way, if you need the website link for DocuSign, you'll find it right at the top of the video description. It's there so you can quickly sign in or create an account without searching. From the Fields panel, locate the Payment option. Drag and drop the payment field to the part of your document where you want the payer to complete their details. If you don't see the payment field, your account may not have a payment provider connected yet. Check with your admin or plan settings. Now configure the payment details. Select the payment provider supported by your DocuSign account. Enter the payment amount, choose the correct currency, and complete any required payment details. Double-check amounts for accuracy and confirm the currency matches your recipient's expectations. Assign the payment field to the correct signer. Verify that it's linked to the person who will be paying, and confirm that payment will be collected after signing. This ensures the signer completes payment as part of the final submission. Finally, review everything. Check recipients, field placement, and payment settings. When it all looks good, click Send to deliver the document. That's how to add payment fields in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.